Everybody say momentum years. From 2016 to 2026, this will be the momentum years of AIM Global. I see more millionaires being created. I see more countries being opened. Within the next few days, we will open Papua New Guinea. Within the next few weeks, we will open Tanzania, Ivory Coast, and Cameroon. Within the next 3 to 6 months, we'll be opening Indonesia. We're improving our infrastructure and services because once somebody had told me, build bridges and people will come. Build system and groups of people will come. Build bridges with system with a heart, and you can change the world. Are we changing the world? One person at a time, one family at a time, one country at a time, one nation at a time. Guys, within the next 10 years, what the company have achieved for the past 10 years, listen to this, because we are entering momentum years. What the company have achieved for the past 10 years, we will achieve it again in 3 years' time. In 3 years' time. In 3 years' time. Ask me why. Because we are already 10 years old. Our system are proven. Ask me why. Because we are 10 years. Our system are stable. Ask me why. Because the three of us, along with the leaders, are already experienced. When we open country, it is not as if we're opening it from the very first day. We have opened countries before. Now it's easier to become a millionaire. Now it's easier to expand in other countries. Now it's easier to recruit other foreigners. Now it's easier for you to become a multi-millionaire. We will journey again for the next 10 years. Are you with us? Are you with us? We will create more products. Products that people will want. Products that people will buy. We will improve our marketing plan. Guys, the best is yet to come because the company is entering momentum years. Are you with us? AIM World, we will hold on with other nationalities. We will hold hands with the Nigerians. We will hold hands with the Pakistanis. We will hold hands with other Asian nations. And very soon we will conquer the world. As the company coming from a third world country